Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be unboxing and doing first impressions on the Nikon Z50. Let's get into it. I'm just going to quickly unbox everything, and then I'm going to give you a closer look at exactly what you get. Our first item here is the 16 to 50 millimeter lens. I also got the 50 to 250 millimeter lens. You get the battery charger, a Nikon strap, a battery, a micro USB charger, and last but not least, the camera itself. Installing one of the lenses is pretty easy to do, but for some reason it took me a little bit of time to realize how you do it. Basically, you match up the two dots, the one on the camera with the one on the lens, and then twist it towards the Nikon logo. Once it's on, you should hear a satisfying click. And if you keep turning it, the lens will pop out. I find it very clever that the screen can move so you can see what you're doing. However, if you're using something like a tripod, I can see this not being very effective, as most of it will be blocked by the tripod. But it might be good for people like bloggers. The camera seems pretty sturdy, and it's pretty easy to get to the battery and SD card slot. All you need to do is slide this button. I'm going to just set it up real quick, and then we can test it out a little bit. The camera seems pretty good, however I can't take an actual photo because I don't have my SD card in yet. Now it's time to pair it to our phone. For this, I feel like they could have done it a little bit better. They want you to connect it through Wi-Fi, which means you have to disconnect from your home Wi-Fi so you can connect to it. There's nothing really wrong with this, however, it won't automatically connect to that one over your home internet. And sadly, you can't do everything you need to with just Bluetooth. Here's a quick look through the lens. It looks pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. Thank you.